What if I told you that a 5-year-old laptop could feel faster and snappier than a brand new one fresh out of the box? It sounds completely wrong, doesn't it? We're taught to look at the processor speed and the amount of RAM, but those numbers are hiding the real story. There is one single component inside your computer that has a bigger impact on day-to-day speed than anything else. And most people don't even know what to look for. Inside every computer, there's a part that holds all your stuff. Your photos, your apps, your games. This is its storage drive. Okay, picture this. Your computer's storage is like its long-term memory bank. It's where your epic vacation photos, that half-finished Netflix binge, and every embarrassing meme you swore you'd delete end up crashing the party. But here's where it gets juicy. There are two main players, the old-school HDD and the speed demon SSD. For years, most computers used something called a hard disk drive, or HDD. Imagine an old record player. An HDD works in a similar way. It has a physical spinning disk and a little mechanical arm that has to race back and forth to find your data. When you hear your computer whirring or making little clicking sounds, that's what's happening. It's the sound of a tiny machine physically searching for your files. And because it's physical, it's slow. It's also fragile. Drop it, and that little arm can get damaged. This is why HDDs give you a ton of space for cheap. They're great for storing huge video files or as a backup. But for running your actual computer, they are the reason for the wait. Now, flip the script to the SSD, solid-state drive. No spinning disks, no needles, just pure electronic wizardry using flash memory like the guts of your phone. This thing is a turbo boost in disguise. Your computer fires up in 10 seconds flat, files pop open like magic, and it's whisper quiet. No more that annoying clickety-clack during your late-night scroll. It's tougher too. Toss it in your bag, and it'll shrug it off. The catch? It costs a bit more per gigabyte, so you might not get endless space right out of the gate. But think about it. Would you rather have a mansion that's a hike away or a cozy speedboat right on the water? So, when you're buying a computer, you'll see options like 1 terabyte hard drive or 512 gigabyte solid-state drive. The HDD gives you more space for your money, but the SSD gives you speed. And trust me, you feel the speed every single second you use your computer. For most people, a 512 gigabyte SSD is the perfect sweet spot. Plenty of room and incredible performance. Now, this is where it gets interesting and where the book goes so much deeper. You might see some computers offering the best of both worlds, a small SSD for speed and a big HDD for storage. And that can be a great setup, if you know how to manage it properly. But here's the real trap most people fall into. You see a cheap laptop advertised with 128 gigabytes of storage. You think, great, it must be an SSD. But often, it's a slower, cheaper type of flash memory called eMMC that can leave you just as frustrated as an old hard drive. How do you tell the difference? And what if you have an older, slow computer right now? Can you upgrade it? For some laptops, the storage is soldered in, making it impossible. But for others, a simple SSD upgrade is the single most powerful thing you can do. It literally feels like getting a brand new machine. The book, Buy the Brain, Not the Brand, lays out exactly how to spot these marketing traps, what to look for in product descriptions, and whether your own computer has a hidden slot that could change everything. If you want to understand the full story and make a choice you won't regret, all the answers are waiting for you inside.